my little star. Don't be afraid of the dark. The darkness belongs to me, the same way you do. Baby, you're so small under the sky tonight. So tiny, so perfect for mommy. Just a little baby. So perfect. Such a delicate little thing. Come closer, baby. Yes, come into me. That's it. That's right, baby. Let me pull you into mommy. Your demon mommy. Oh, baby, you're trembling. It's loud, but it's also quite cute. You're trembling like a tiny little baby animal. I like it. It makes mommy feel protective of her baby. It makes me want to cup your face, baby, and promise you the moon. Because with that look on your face, I would say you definitely deserve it. You are mine tonight. Lovely in the best way. Held and treasured. I will be the shadow that bends around your edges, so nothing else can touch you. Do you remember the first time you realized people could leave that small hollow ache that sits behind your ribs? Baby, bring that memory to me. Bring that memory close and hand it over. I will fold it into my cloak and make it pretty with golden thread. Because I won't let anything hurt you here. No, baby. Just tell me, baby, what frightened you? Is it the loneliness? The fear? Let me guess. You thought demons were only teeth and hunger? Some of us are just guardians in black velvet. Teeth are kept for strangers. Like that song. I'll let the world burn. Let the world burn for you. Da 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 da. For you, I will only share the velvet. I will use my teeth to ward off anyone who tries to hurt you. Or if you've been a very good baby, you might get them as a reward, but that's for another night. Tonight, let mommy rest. myself around you and smother you into my chest. Let my arms wrap around you all the way from your collarbones to the small of your back. Feel the curve of my shoulder. Let my hands rest there. If you want to hold on tight, I shall permit this. If you want to let go and trust, you may do that too. Both are perfectly acceptable with me. I will hum until your eyelids flutter. My voice is old and patient. It has watched centuries fall asleep. It knows the notes that make fear dissolve. So close your eyes and let my voice fill your bones. But baby, there are rules here. Gentle rules. No leaving at dawn without telling me. No pretending you're fine when you're not. No ghosts without permission. And in return, I'll give you warmth, protection, and a shoulder that will not tire. Very soon you'll come to see how deep my loyalty runs if you treat me right and follow my rules. And just let me spoil you and cuddle you every night. Demons need love too, you know. All those misconceptions can be tiring. But I'm glad you see the best of me, baby. So gentle, so precious. Baby, tonight I'll keep watch. I will keep you wrapped safely in my chest and embrace, smothering you with all the love you simply deserve, baby. Because you do. We both know you do. You've had some bad experiences which has led you to question, do I deserve this? You didn't deserve the bad, but you do deserve me. I mean, I'm bad in my own way, but I'll never be bad to you. Never. It's okay. You're safe. Oh, so safe. You are loved. So loved by your demon mommy. And that's okay. It's okay to be loved by a stranger. But I feel like I've known you forever. No, I know we've known each other for a while, but I've lived a long time. still so much to discover about each other that sometimes we still feel like strangers to me. But not in a bad way. It just gets me excited for the future. But I just want to focus on squishing you into me right now. Just listen to my heartbeat. Listen to the demonic sound. You are loved. So loved. It's okay. Feel Mommy's hands on you, brushing away all the fear and anxiety, and the doubts, the worry. Everything must go. Everything will be blown away. Just like that, baby. Just like that. So okay. Remember the rules. No leaving while Mummy's asleep.